If you want to move data from USB flash drive to POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, or if you want to do this the other way around, then in that case you want to open the File Manager app. There we go. This is an app that is already installed on your phone. Now in here you can go to Browse, and if you want to transfer something from your phone to the flash drive, then you can use, for example, one of these types in order to quickly find something, or you can use the internal storage section in order to try to locate your files over there. Let's say I'm just gonna go to Images, and I'm gonna just select a couple of images over here. There we go. Now at the bottom we can choose the Move option. And then since we are transferring right now from the phone to the USB storage, I want to choose the USB storage. And then in here we should be able to just choose where all of these selected files should be moved or saved. So I'm gonna choose this DCIM folder, and I'm gonna use this check in the upper right corner, and there we go, all selected files have been transferred to the USB device. So I can just go over here and I should be able to find it. There we go. Now if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone, it is pretty similar. So instead of using one of these types or the internal storage, of course, we want to choose USB device. Then over here, you want to locate your files that you want to transfer, select them. There we go. Tap on the Move at the bottom of the screen. And then of course, we're gonna choose internal shared storage. And then you need to decide where you want these files to be saved. So let's say we're just gonna place it over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.